Have to do it over.
Yeah, chapter 26, the reproductive system.
Okay.
Which tube carries sperm from the scrotum to the abdominal cavity. Ductus deferens. Which structure is not associated with the testes. The piniform venous plexus is actually above the testes, but it's still associated with the testes because it regulates the temperature. And all the above are associated. This gland is located just inferior to the urinary bladder. That would be the prostate. A part of the penis contains the urethra, that's the corpus spongiosum. Know your three accessory glands. Remember, the epididymis is not an accessory gland. The luteal portion of the ovarian cycle lasts exactly 14 days. Corpus luteum. Ectopic pregnancies, fertilization, endometrial sloughing.
You want another muffin?
Both A and B are true. Luteinizing hormone initiates ovulation. The positive feedback loop of oxytocin hormone contracts the uterus during labor. Most oral contraceptives, rectal pills contain estrogen and actually progesterone also. The menstrual phase of the uterine cycle lasts about 5 days. The ejaculatory duct is constricted because it passes through the prostate. Seminiferous tubules. Endometrium is where the inserts. Corpus luteum forms after the ovulation. Corpus luteum will then start producing progesterone hormone. Estrogen and progesterone are at their lowest concentrations during the delaying phase of the menstrual cycle, primarily during the menstrual phase. That's why menses occurs. Meiosis 1. Let's get into mitosis. Mitosis is where the primary spermatocytes. Mitosis occurs between the spermatogonia and the primary spermatocytes. That's why it's mitosis. And meiosis 1 occurs
I have to get up early.
between the primary and secondary spermatocytes. Sperm are stored in the epididymis.
Almost midnight.
And become motile. where the sperm acquire their motility, primarily in the epidermis. All three hormones are necessary. Erection male is controlled by the parasympathetic nervous system, while ejaculation is controlled by the sympathetic. Superior portion of the uterus is called the fundus, which structure has fimbriae, that would be the uterine tubes. Follicle cells, those are part of the vesicular follicles, primordial follicles. Milk is stored in the lactiferous sinuses. Got to be the round ligament. LH stimulates ovulation. Fertilization generally occurs in the ampulla of the oviduct. Corpus luteum. Usually menstruation occurs. During the secretory phase, that's when progesterone levels are at their highest. The gametes are formed by meiosis. Breast tissue is where you find the areola. Prophase 1 is when you have crossing over. The vagina has a very acidic pH. Cryptorchidism is a condition in which the testes fail to descend. During the 7th to 8th month, which is the body structures in the female are homologous to the scrotum, that would be the labia majora.